Hello friends, welcome back. I have a Thanksgiving planning video for you today. I am hosting this year, we're not going to visit, and we're hosting 5 family members. So today is the Monday before Thanksgiving, which means it is really time for me to get in gear and get everything going. So I'm gonna show you how I like to lay out my planning for any big holiday really, or even any big party. This is how I do it, and maybe you'll be able to glean something that will help you with your own planning. So let's go over to my notebook. Okay, this is my clipboard notebook, and I use this plus a legal pad for any big party that I'm doing, including catering. It is perfect. I got this at Target a couple years ago. It has a little folder, and then I just change out a legal pad as I go through them. So this is how I like to graph it all out. I don't know what that was. As you can see, Thursday is the big day, so that's down here. And we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I've gone through all of my recipes and figured out which ones would be best to start early and how I want to space that out, because you see down here I've already got 6 tasks listed for Thursday, and this is probably going to get bigger, but I want to be able to spread that out as much as is reasonable. So today is Monday. I've already put in a big grocery order. I do have a few more things that I still need to order. I'm going to order this year instead of going shopping in person, except for Trader Joe's, which you'll see further down the list. It helps things along so much. It's a little bit more expensive, but I've got so much to do that it's worth it to me. So today I am making chicken broth because I use that in several of my recipes. So as you can see, I've already got that going over there. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but anyway, it smells delicious in here. So the chicken broth is already going, the groceries are ordered, and I also need to, this evening, go ahead and put the dry rub on the turkey and the turkey breast. So then on Tuesday, I'm going to be taking the plastic wrap off of the turkey so that the skin can dry out. This is a new recipe that I'm trying, and that was one of the things that it listed to do. So I'm gonna follow the recipe, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make the mashed potatoes on Tuesday. Now I am making 30 pounds of mashed potatoes because my teen boys are obsessed with them, and they offer to peel the potatoes for me. So I'm willing to do it. So that's gonna happen on Tuesday. And then of course we'll just reheat. On Wednesday, I'm gonna go ahead and roast the turkey and turkey breast, make gravy. I need to go to Trader Joe's to buy the flours and also things for a charcuterie board. I also need to assemble the stuffing bread pudding. I'm following this recipe that I found. Let me see if I can find it in my stack. I'll link it below. This is the turkey that I'm doing, but this is what I'm doing this year for stuffing: mushroom and leek bread pudding. I'm one of the only ones in my family that really likes stuffing, and I also am obsessed with bread pudding, so I thought that this would be a fun thing to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble that on Wednesday. Not bake it, but just get it assembled. And then something that we have started doing every year for Thanksgiving is a big strawberry pretzel salad, and Ryan actually makes that. So I just need to have the ingredients for him, and he'll put that together Wednesday night. So Thursday, the big day, we're shooting to eat dinner at 1:30 so that the family that's coming can travel back home before it gets dark. So I'll be assembling the ingredients for my rolls at 7:30 a.m. and I want to have them baked at 11. So for down here for the big day, I actually put out the target times that I want to have everything done. I don't do that for any of the other days because it's really not necessary. But for the big day, for the event, I like to have as much of a plan in place as possible. So I'll put those in the oven at 11. And then I'll probably pop them back in to reheat them right before dinner. Sweet potato casserole goes in at noon. The mashed potatoes are going to be in an enormous pan, so I'm going to start those heating up at 10. They probably will not be hot until noon, and then I will put them in a cooler with a towel on top, and that'll keep them nice and hot. I'm going to reheat the turkey at 1 o'clock. I'm going to also bake the bread pudding at 12. I'll probably put that in with the sweet potato casserole. And then this number 6 is an extra. We'll see if I actually get to it. I'd really like to make pate au choux as an hors d'oeuvre. We will see if that happens. I'm flexible. It's on there. It's on my wish list, basically. So this is how I like to pace everything out. Now on another page here, on the first page, I've written down what my guest is bringing, the eating time, and then I have a list here of everything that I'm making. And as I make it, I'll go ahead and cross it off so that I can keep track of what I still need to do. This is really, you know, it's low tech, but it works for me. This is how I do my planning for all of the weddings that I cater, for any giant party that I do. This is the way to do it, just with a pen and a notepad and, you know, a nice little folder. So the good thing about this is I can just pop my little recipes in here that I don't already have memorized, and it all stays together. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions about how our Thanksgiving is laid out, please feel free to ask. I will be posting pictures of the table setting and the flowers and all of the beautiful things on Thanksgiving Day. So thank you for joining me. Please like the video and subscribe so that you can get more from me. Talk to you later. Bye.